You aimlessly scrolling right now is just a symptom of your disconnection. The cause is that there's no stillness. Listen to the sounds in the room around you right now. And notice how there's silence in between those sounds. And without moving your eyes, notice what's moving in your peripheral vision, even if it's subtle movement. And notice the stillness that's in your field of vision without moving your eyes. Just the things that are perfectly still. And notice the movement of your breath, how it might be shallow or quick, and notice if you can slow it down to the point where you notice the stillness in between the breaths. And notice all forms of movement slowly decelerating until you start to tune into the impeccable stillness of this moment. Don't think about it, just sense the stillness deeply. Relax into the stillness. Imagine a grandfather clock slowly pendulating until it just finds a point of perfect stillness at the center. That's you, balancing yourself right now in the vast space of stillness. And as you go about your day to day, aim to bring this quality of focused stillness to whatever you do. And notice yourself reconnect to the depth of the moment and whatever you do as you do it from that place.